Wega sana Gatobu kirinde so inge na ande mwandiki munene kiri Ministry wa Karia niyo Defense Patrick Mariru na riungite ndene sibitari Meru Level 5 kenda gutegera wakibura bwetite na mbere kiri sibitari je bubu neonde yeregere gwitithwa nkabe na gutweka Level 6 na riungite takinya ndene yake kya Maua Stadium na sibitari ne ya Nyambene Level 4 akiariria gwiti na mbere bo wakibwa Miradi je Mariru ugite eje nenguge kari kya twikinya mweri jwa mbere mwaka twitite na akiaria munini wa gavana Meru Level augite ni bakwaraniria kenda wakibwa kinoru urikia. Thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza ni tiatirite bunene kugambia mwari ujo gwitwa Meru na njira ya kuingia mawira nejayo kiriwe ara PS kiri rwangirwa Defense Patrick Mariru akinyite kuthuja mirandi ira itite na mbere
na aro twejete na PS Patrick Mariru kweja kuona uria progress ya national government projects tugwatanirite na thirikari ya county government uria itite
jwa mbere joro gwitithia nkathe sibitari Level 5 gutweka 6 akiwa murandi jojo ijwetete bwaga na jokari ka January mwaka twetete.
We are happy about the progress, maybe average of between 20 to 30% of this project. We are satisfied with the way it is going. I would like to commit to the people of Meru and this region, because this hospital will basically serve the entire region, as directed by His Excellency the President. This project, phase 1, will be done late November this year. This phase 2, we are starting it shortly, immediately actually. We want to do it simultaneously with the other one. So together with phase 1 and phase 2, this entire project in totality will be done by January 2027.
PS Mariru na chokete akinya sibitari na Nyambene na rais tuenderete mwako jo mwero akiwa murandi jojo tuga akinya nirandene ya mieri 5 ejete.
I also went to Nyambene Hospital. The president has directed we do a wing within Nyambene. It has started. It's around 15%. That hospital will be completed and handed over in November this year.
Na taririte nayo thine rero kiri wakibwa kieni kya Maua Stadium ne kwithirwa munda jurajuro jote kungana na ndebagitigira thirikari county murigo ja kugambia kariba anteriji kunenkanira miunda yao.
We also visited Maua Stadium. We haven't started because the county government is consulting with the citizens because the land there is not enough for a 10,000 seater stadium. We didn't want to do a small community stadium. We wanted to do a 10,000 stadium like we are doing everywhere else across the country. So we needed more land.
Antonia DG Linda Kiome augite ntukwite kuraja Meru ikathaganwa kieni gya kinoru nyuma yakyo kwagirithwara gutigere.
Also tukwariria manto ja kinoru na guto promise barikia kuthirikiria ngugiria itigere kieni kire kibwirete kuthithwa bwega floodlights igekirwa na the running track ikathithwa bwega nontu nithukangietwe kidogo bombago tuthiriria au they have promised to do a handover ya Kinoru Stadium ke county government.